In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can set a static IP address on your Ubuntu server. Also, we will be learning how we can set from static to DHCP, and I will tell you another thing which is going to be the bonus of this video. We are going to use a tool to find out IP address to use. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so first of all, let me talk about the application. So it is Advanced IP Scanner. Let me open it up for you. So you go to Google and type Advanced IP Scanner, and then on the first website, Advanced IP Scanner, click on free download. So it's a free application, and anybody can use it. Just click on download and it will start the downloader. So I already have it, you can see it here, so I'm not going to download this one. So let me run the application. Okay, once you run this application, it's gonna ask you for the language. You say okay, and then you get two options. You can either install this application on your computer, or you can just run it right away. So I'm just going to run this, no installation required. Okay, so as my this network is 10.0.0.0 and it's a 24 subnet network, so I'm just going to search in this one. If you have like multiple networks, you can search in between multiple networks as well, and also you can search in between specific IPs. So you can search the whole network like as it is, or let's say I'm searching in between 1 to 50. So it's going to search in between these IP addresses, like which IPs are being used and which IPs are free. Okay, so it's gonna scan, and within couple seconds or maximum in a minute it will show you the results. So I will tell you step by step what these devices are, or what we can do after the result. Okay, so the scan has completed and it just detected this IP address. So this is the gateway, the router of my home network, and all other IPs are free. And let me show you one thing here. Under my home network, my IP address right here, let me show you this. So you can see it's 131, and the server I'm using, it's 196. Okay, so under in the network of 1 to 50, there is only one IP address, so I can use 10.0.0.2, 5, 10, whatever I want. So I'm going to use 10.0.0.10 to set my static IP on this server. Okay, so first thing, we learned about how we can find a free IP address or unused, and then again you can ping to that IP address what you want to set. If it's pinging, that means that network is being used somewhere, but if it's being used, definitely advanced IP scanner is gonna scan that IP address. So advanced IP scanner can be used in multiple scenarios, like if you want to search for a device IP address, or if there is a network conflict, you can find out the IP and fix the problem. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to change the network from DHCP to static, and for that I'm going to open this file, etc net plan, and then there should be only one file. Okay, so you can see it's DHCP, and I'm going to comment this all, and I'm going to copy this prompt from here and I will paste it here. So you can copy that prompt from the description of this video, and all you need to do is to change the IP address. It's 0. I don't know why in PuTTY I can't use the numpad, but anyways, I'm just going to change the IP address here, 10.0.0.1, and let's verify this address, 10.0.0.10, and this is the gateway address, and these are the name servers. So let's just use one, and you can use multiple. If you have your DNS server, you can use your DNS as well, and then Control X and then hit Y key to save the configuration, and then you're going to type this command, netplan apply. As you type this command, So it's showing me gateway 4 error because previously it had the same network address, and I assigned again the same network. So just don't worry about that. And now you will see the session is disconnected, and I won't be able to like work on this one. You can see it's disconnected. So let's just start a new session, 10.0.0.10, and I'm good. Let me change the font size so you guys can see. It should be under appearance, and font size bold and 18, and colors, modify. The foreground color should be this green. Apply. Okay, so you can see the network, this connection is disconnected. Okay, let me show you the IP address here. So under ENS 33, this one, you can see the IP address is changed to the static one. Okay, so in case if you don't want to use, or there is a requirement that you need to change the IP address from static to DHCP, so what I showed you already, that's the method number 1. You can go to netplan, and then in the file of network configuration, you can uncomment that and comment out these lines. Let me do that. Or in case if you don't have these lines, like this script for DHCP, you can just copy this from the description of this video and just paste this, and make sure you're typing the ENS3, the name of your interface, that is correct. That should be correct, otherwise it will not get the IP address from the DHCP server. Okay, so you need to comment out all these and get back to the DHCP. Control X to save, Y, hit enter, and then netplan, apply. Okay, now it's gonna disconnect from this session, and hopefully we will get the same IP address back. Let's just restart this session. Okay, so yeah, I am connected to the old session, and let's check the IP address, and it's 196, so it's coming from the DHCP server. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.